You guys, look at all this mess. I gotta clean up. I did my makeup tonight. Gotta clean all this up. I got a whole tray under here I did not use. Oh, I forgot this was here actually. That mother palette. I got some straightening up to do, but guess what? Oh, you guys, I got this from Temu. That's crazy. So cute though. Look, look, look. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, you know I'm up late as usual. I just got through doing my makeup because I had to create a little content. Yeah, so I said, you know, might as well hop on YouTube, do a little YouTube video as well. So as you know me, it's late. It's probably 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, it's early in the morning. And you guys, that's probably why I have those dark circles. When I'm not wearing makeup, when I have those dark circles under my eyes, that's where that comes from. So it is what it is. So yeah, I got a big mess here to clean up. But I'll do that when I wake up, because like it's not gonna get done tonight. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. It's not gonna get done tonight. I am tired. As soon as I'm finished with this video, I'm going to take everything off, lashes, everything, wipe this makeup off, and I'm gonna be done for the night. And gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna post this content. I'm gonna start posting some tomorrow. Well, today, because it's already past midnight. Today's Thursday, August 17th, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting some content for Thursday, the 17th August. And I'm probably gonna timestamp this video to you guys, but I'm starting to pick up, like not this weekend, but next weekend I'm gonna be really busy. People have been calling, so I'm getting stuff set up for the rest of the year, basically for last 2 weeks of well, let me say this. Starting next weekend, not this weekend coming up, but next weekend, I'm gonna be very busy, okay? And I mean busy from now until the end of the year. So I'm excited for that because I'm glad to have my little downtime, but I'm ready to get back to it. I was on a call with a lady 2 days ago. I think we're trying to get, like, I think we're doing like a brand shoot, so we're trying to get the details for that together, so I'm excited about that. As you know, I'm here in Houston, and so I'm going to be doing makeup for the dates that Beyonce is coming to Houston, September 23rd, 24th. If anybody's watching, you're here in Houston. The 23rd is filling up for me, but I do have the 24th available completely all day so far. So book early. That's all I'm going to say. Book early. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't want to, you know, take up too much of you guys' time. But you want to see all of the products that I use, it will be in the description box. Not the description box. This is YouTube. It will be in the caption of the reel that I'm going to post when I wake up in a few hours. So all of the products will be there. So I will share with you guys a few of the favorite products that I'm really impressed with that I used tonight. This shade that I have on now, this is nothing new. This is not part of my face, but I have like a little bit of a tan. I'm normally a little bit lighter than this. Like I said, we spent a lot of time at the pool this year, Slitterbond, all that kind of stuff. So I've gotten a shade or two darker, which I don't mind. I really actually kind of like it. I love it. You know, love my skin tone, my complexion. Love this pretty little toasty brown thing I got going on. So, but what I was really impressed with, you guys, of course, you know, I love my P. Louise. This is what I use for my eye base before I put my shadows on. I use numbers 3. This is number 3. And then this one is number 5. I got my Sacha Buttercup. You guys, for setting powder. You guys will not believe that I got this on Temu for $2 or $3. You will not believe it. Here's my one that's running out. Okay. And then here's the one they sent me. Yes, it is a little bit more yellow, but whatever. I can't believe that I got it for $2 or $3. So I'm really excited about that. I tried a new brand for highlight and contour today. And these Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealers. I put the warm sand on first, and then in the inner corners right here, I put the lighter one, which is sand. And I love the way it looks. Oh my God. The coverage is amazing. I will say that, okay? Huda Beauty. This is a foundation stick, and it's in the shade Coffee Bean. I was watching someone else's YouTube video, and a couple people raved about this shade Coffee Bean. It was hard to come by, but I finally got my hands on it, and that's my contour for tonight. So oh, let me powder. Hold on. I feel like I'm looking a little shiny. Hold on. You know what? Maybe I'm not. I think that may just be my highlight. My highlight is here. But yeah, I love this shade, you guys. Look at it. It's like gives me the perfect warmth. I like it a lot. And then I was really, really happy with the lashes that I got. My lashes are from XOXO Tracy Cosmetics. But it came in this cute little packaging, so you can see that there. And so, yeah. Love that. As you can see, boom. I love these. A nice, plump, feathery. And it goes from short to long. I don't know if you guys can really, really see and tell. But love that. And if you guys, my lighting, like I have my big spotlight mirror back here in my little office, but then I also have a cute little light on top of my phone. So that's why the lighting looks. It is nighttime here. I purposely filmed at night because I like the lighting better. I like the kind of like the dark setting that it has, you know. Yeah, and I use this new product too that I bought from Morphe. This is how I did my eyeshadows. I've been looking for a gray. I've been seeing a pretty gray eyeshadow. I think on Gigi Hadid when she went to the Met Gala, I was like, I love gray eyeshadow. I thought it was so pretty, so I found this palette. This was the closest thing I could find to it. So I got this, and these are the colors that I used. This one is RIP. This one is Bruh, which is like a, it's not black. Is it black? Okay, maybe it is black. And then I also use 505, that one here. But I really love this palette, you guys. It's really, really pigmented. But you know Morphe, though. Morphe is good for, I got quite a few of their eyeshadow palettes. But this one, I really love. And this is the one I use today. So, just wanted to share that with you guys. And then on the lips, I did Night Moth lip liner. Like I went over it 2 or 3 times, and then I did Candy Yum Yum on the lips. So, and I set it with my setting spray. I only did one setting spray on me today, which is the MAC Fix Plus matte setting spray. So that's what I use today. Anywho, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Just wanted to hop on real quick. Didn't want to take up too much of your time. Hello to my new subscribers. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.